Hello everyone, welcome back. So why am I here? I'm not cooking today. Anu is, of course you know her. I'm here because she's cooking one of my favorite dishes. When you think of Kashmir, Gulmarg and snow around you and all that cold weather, there's nothing like a good warm meaty dish to make you feel all good from the inside, right? So this is one such dish. It is my absolute favorite appetizer from Kashmir, traditional Wazwan cuisine. It's called Tabak. It's very different from a normal roasted or fried meat. So do watch. There's some key steps along the way and key secret ingredients as well, including the love, of course. So keep watching.
So, why is Tabak so popular? How is it different? Like Varun said, here is a very special cut of meat. This is what it looks like. This is called double pasli ka meat. That's what I tell the butcher when I want meat for Tabak mas. It has to have quite a lot of fat on it. Lamb especially comes with a lot of white portions, which is great because once we put it in our cooker and cook it, all the juices will make it nice and tender. And it's very simple. We just need to boil it. Put our 1 kg of meat in the pressure cooker. And we're gonna put all the spices in it one by one. There is no particular order. The elaichi goes in, so does the long, mace, badi elaichi. We have our tej pata and cinnamon stick, and of course a little bit of haldi and pepper powder. So just 1 spoon of each. Our key ingredients for all Kashmiri dishes is saunf powder, 2 spoons of that, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. There goes in our salt. About 2 spoons should be okay for 1 kg of meat. And here is our secret ingredient. My mom likes to put milk, and that's what I'm gonna boil it with. And I'm also going to add water to this. We normally put about 1 liter of water. It should just cover the meat completely. And then we're gonna pressure cook it. That's it. Pressure cooker needs to be on for about 20-25 minutes. And then when we come back, we'll do the next steps. Oh wow, the aroma is just so good. Our meat is done. It looks fabulous. The cooker was on for 15 minutes after the first whistle. I put it on low so that it will cook on slow heat. And here, look at the way the meat is. It is so soft. It's literally falling off the bone. And I'm going to drain it off here. Just want to get the juices out because when I do the next steps, I don't need any liquid in here. So this soup is precious. We are not going to discard it. It can be, it's a broth that can be had as it is, or we can use it to make Kashmiri Yakhni Pulao. Now we are going to be doing the second step of this, where we have to fry out these ribs. I'm using our favorite Amul ghee and quite a bit of it. Generous amount of ghee right here. That's how Kashmiris make it. Almost everything has quite a lot of ghee. Our ghee is hot now and we're gonna start putting in our lamb pieces and it's gonna splatter.
Okay, so modern problems require modern solutions right here. So she's wearing a face shield, so this is not just good in COVID times. It's good also to protect from oil splatters from the tabak mas.
Our tabak mas is ready and I'm just going to take it off heat. I'm going to remove it from our ghee. Our meat, as always, is from brown apron, and this is a special card that you can ask the butcher to give you. You can just tell him that you want meat for tabak mas and he'll know what to give you. So the last step before we serve this, again, this is a secret recipe of ours. We sprinkle half chaat masala and half of garam masala. This is the Punjabi garam masala that Varun made earlier, and you can find the recipe online. Throw in a few rings of onion there. And that's all we need to enjoy this amazing tabak mas. Let me call Varun here. He's gonna do the taste test for us. So Babu, tell me, how did it come out?
Okay, so the key to a good tabak mas is when you have the bone like this, and you can take the bone out, just like that. And see, no meat on it, all the meat's here. That's when it's fall off the bone good. So the texture is perfect. Now it's all about the flavor. Oh my god. You know what? Why don't we let the chef taste it too? Okay, I said taste, not finish, but that is absolutely perfect. Great starter. If you want a nice, warm, fuzzy feeling and want to feel good about yourself, then trust me guys, this is something that you should make at home. Try it, you will love it, and
thank you for watching.